How to fix Snapchat, something went wrong. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat and scroll down and click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK, and then you have to back. Click on first stop and click OK. And what next, guys? Go to battery here and you have to optimize it, you have to allow it, and that's it. After this your problem will be solved on your Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.